What do you wish you learned at school but never did? Money. How to manage it, how to understand it, and how to use it. Hi, I'm Carl from MyBnk, a charity that brings money to life all across the UK. And I'd like to introduce you to Money Twist, our flagship education program for secondary schools. Did you know barely half of young people are ever taught how to manage their money and are the most likely to be scammed? Money Twist builds financial capacity in secondary schools. We get young people to look at banking, how they approach spending money, investing, basically just looking after their own personal finance. As you know, money and finance can sometimes be boring, so we work with young people to build the program. We use case studies and we use a lot of games to really bring the program to life. We really like to engage youth culture, and we like to talk about things that are currently going on in society. We talk about tax, debt, and pensions. We make it real and we make it really relevant. Pupils will have open discussions, they'll deliver presentations, they'll apply maths, and they'll solve problems within the classroom. We also really like to get young people to understand their habits and to really manage their relationships that they have with money. Content is always linked to the national curriculum, and we make sure that we tailor to a lot of different learning styles. Our interactive program gets young people to engage with money, and for most of them, this is usually for the first time. In these sessions, young people will learn how to make money, what to do with money in the long term and the short term. We hope you can join us on the front line. Please visit mybank.org for more.